Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water filter in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new water filter. This water filter is located in the upper right corner in the fresh food section. It's designed to clean water by reducing chlorine taste as well as most known tap water contaminants. The refrigerator water filter should be replaced according to the manufacturer's recommendations. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. Alright, so our water filter is inside this cover box. So to open it, we need to press on this push word here on the side and push it down. Right, I'm going to bring the filter down like that, and I'm going to turn it counterclockwise, about quarter turn. And now I'm going to take it out. This is the old water filter next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we're going to install the new filter, and we're going to place it into this opening and press it in slightly and then turn it clockwise, and you will feel when it starts catching with this lock, and then make sure it's turned all the way in. I'm going to press it up and close the cover. Now we can close the door and drain at least 5 cups of water before you start using it. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.